Hello and welcome to day 16 of our SQL Made Simple. Imagine you're a company manager. You have a list of all departments in your business and a list of employees. You want to see every department, even if no one currently works in it. This is where a right join comes in. And for this lesson, we will still be using our SQL Made Simple database. So if you don't have it yet, visit the website here to get it. So what then is a right join? So we say a right join returns all rows from the right table and only matching rows from the left. And if no match exists, the left side shows null. So a visual analogy could be you thinking of two circles. With right join, we keep everything from the right circle and overlap from the left where possible. So this is your table 2 should be the right. So the first table will be the left, and we've already discussed left join. So just the opposite, but you definitely achieve the same result. So let's see by using our database. That way you would understand and appreciate what we mean by right join. So I'm going to switch. So here we are to check which employees belong to which department. Also ensure that all departments are listed, even if no employee is assigned. So you're looking at employees in department. So before we do that, let's write our select statement. So you're dealing with employee and department. So employees, employee, department, and department. Okay. So select from. So let's see what's in the employees table. So I'll run it. So this is what we have. Okay. Then I move on to select star from employee department, which is this. Okay, so let's run all. Let me end it here and end this there. Execute. So we have the employee department. So for the employee department, you only have the department ID and employee ID. Okay. Select star from. Now let's look at the department. So with the department, let's run. So when we look at the department, we have department ID and the department name. So the common field that we can do the right join on, that is linking the employees and the employee department table. So the employee ID, which is a common field for the employee department. So we do a left join, sorry, a right join on that. Then we do another join from the employee department table to the department using the department ID. So now that we have that, let's do our right join. So I'll start with the from. So we are starting with the employees as E. So let's put it like that as E. And we are doing a right join on the employee department. So employee department as ED. So what is the common field between the two? So the common field between the two is the employee ID. Okay, so that will be E dot employee ID. So our left table in this case is our employee department. That's why you're doing a right join. So E dot employee ID should be equal to ED, which is the employee department, dot employee ID. And because we want to find the department name, we also need to do another right join. So we do another right join from the department ID. So you're right joining with the department department as D on. So if you look at the employee ID, which is the ED, employee department, so ED dot ED dot. So if you look at the employee department, we have the department ID. So ED dot department ID, which should be equal to the D dot its department ID. So now that we have this, now we can conveniently do our select. So what are we looking for? We are looking for the department name, and the department name is found within the department table, which we assign D. So we say D dot the department name. I'll do a comma. Now I need the first name and the last name and the position. And this is found within the employees table. So I'll do E dot first name. I'll do E dot last name. Yeah. Then I need a position E dot position. Yeah. So voila, that is it. So we've done the right join, we execute, and this is what we get. Okay, so every department will appear, so we can see the department, human resource, finance, information technology, marketing, and sales. So we've got two people within the same department, Kojo and Ama. Yeah, one is a finance officer and one is an IT specialist. And this same Ama also belongs to the information technology department. So if there is an employee in the department, you will see their details. And if a department has no employee, it will appear but with a null shown for employee info. And I believe that makes sense. So just take your time, work it out, keep practicing, and you should be fine. So well done for staying through. And let's take a look at our workplace tip. So in HR or management, right join helps you spot empty departments, unassigned teams, or gaps in staffing. So instead of just focusing on employees, you ensure no department is overlooked. Well done. So let's wrap it up. Left join looks at all from the left table plus matches from right. And right join also concentrates on the right table plus any matches from the left table. So they are mirror images of each other. So this is our day 17. No, in our next lesson, which is day 17, we'll explore full outer join, where we combine both worlds to get a complete picture. Thank you and do well to subscribe to the channel, like, leave a comment, and share it with anyone who is new to SQL and wants to gradually build the skills as a data analyst. Blessings.